let's make these epic techno horns. We are going to start with a single oscillator. I'm using pigments for this one. We are going to start with single oscillator. These are turned down. The only oscillator working is this. And then we are going to get a unison. So we have this much more stereo and fade sound. And then a little bit of white noise. This is cool, but this needs additional layers to really sound feather. The first one, we're going to go to our wavetable, but this time we have 1 octave up. With unison, together, without, with. Upper frequencies are a bit more filled, and the final part is actually layering another sub bass under it so that it gets even fatter. Sub bass will be again single sawtooth, 1 octave down, sounds like this. This stabilizes the sound because it's right in the middle and single sound. All together, without, with. Really cool, isn't it? The trick over here is using this LFO on the fine, so the pitch is slightly moving around. I can solo it so that you can hear a bit more. Right? And from here, we need to go to effects to make it really fat. First thing, boosting a bit highs. And here, depending on the track, if your track already has having a low end, you can actually activate both of these. Taking the super lows and emphasizing a bit on the mid and highs. But if you want to have the sub bass, you can use it this way. And then of course additional reverb and additional shimmer on the return channel. And all together now, let's get rid of the low end because we have already low end. This is a preset from my Obsidian Pigments Peak Time Techno preset pack. If you want to have really cool techno sounds for pigments, take a look.